Hi there, good afternoon. I'm meteorologist Jen Harcher. I'm coming to you live from the Dick Goddard Weather Center here in Cleveland, Ohio with your latest Northeast Ohio forecast. First and foremost, I hope you are streaming this from outside because it is absolutely gorgeous out right now. We've got lots of sunshine. Our temperatures at the moment are in the upper 60s and I do expect us to hit 70 this afternoon. This is going to be our last day before we've got huge changes on tap for us. So let's get right to it. Here's your Fox 8 forecast. How about that view here in downtown Cleveland? Temperatures again headed into the upper 60s to right around 70 degrees. And then once the sun goes down, remember sunset is at 5:12. This evening, we'll start to notice the clouds increasing at that point. We're dry. Temperatures, though, quite nice still. We're in the low 60s all evening long. I've been saying maybe today is the day that you get out your Christmas lights, put them on the house, because you'll be doing it in the colder temps as we head into the upcoming weeks. All right, just don't turn them on just yet. It's still too early. We haven't got Thanksgiving, but Thanksgiving, oh, it is 2 weeks away on the dot. All right, so here's a system that's going to be impacting our area on Veterans Day. It was Hurricane Nicole that hit the East Coast just south of Melbourne overnight. Now it's Tropical Storm Nicole. It's just to the north of Tampa in the Clearwater area. Winds right now at 45 miles per hour sustained, gusts upwards of 65, and it's moving to the northwest at 15. So widening out the view, we already are seeing outer bands of this pushing into northern Georgia and also northern South Carolina. And then from there, we've got the cloud cover moving into Tennessee, parts of Kentucky. But we also have the milder air. So yes, winds right now out of the south tapping into that warmth. The second system that I'm tracking, it's an Arctic front. Behind it, you can see the colder air in place. That front, what it's going to do, it's going to scoop up the moisture from Tropical Storm Nicole, and it's going to push it out towards the East Coast and allow for the floodgates to open up for the colder air. Hello, Gina. Yes, Gina, it's absolutely gorgeous out there. Rob, thanks for checking in. All right, so we do need the rain from this system, by the way. So this is our latest drought monitor that was just released today. We've got moderate drought in our far western communities and far southern areas. In fact, much of the Buckeye State under a moderate drought. So from Ottawa, Seneca, Sandusky, Erie, and Huron County, those are our dry areas. We're abnormally dry in and around the Akron area, Medina, down towards Stark County, and also in Columbiana County. So let's track the rain. This is our first system. This will be the remnants from Tropical Storm Nicole. We've got lots of sunshine today. After sundown, you'll notice the clouds increasing from the south. We'll be the height and variety at first, and then they'll thicken up as we head through the night. Now, on Friday, Veterans Day, we'll start off with rain arriving in our southern communities after 6 a.m. That's going to continue to work its way to the north. So once it starts raining, it's really not going to stop. It's going to rain all day. We'll have bouts of heavy to moderate rain at times. This is 2 o'clock in the afternoon. We're still seeing the rain across the area. Even at 7 o'clock, more so in our eastern spots, and that's where we'll find the heavier rain. And it'll also start to lighten up here in our western area. So 7 o'clock, Ottawa, Sandusky, Seneca County, you'll likely be dry at that point, and then that dry line will push to the east as we head through the remainder of the evening. It's out by midnight. But again, it's going to be pushed out of here by a strong cold front, and that front will be the key for some colder air to move into our area. So on Saturday, we'll likely start off with more in the way of cloud cover than sunshine, but we will have breaks of sun. As we head into the afternoon, there's the chance of a few scattered rain showers and or sleet, or maybe even some snow mixing in. Again, it's going to be scattered. Not everybody will see it in the afternoon on Saturday. By Saturday evening, we switch over to lake effect, classic lake effect, and mainly for our primary snow belt. So if you live in eastern Cuyahoga, Lake Geauga, Ashtabula County, Saturday evening will likely have a wintry mix changing over to just plain old snow as we head into Sunday morning. And then those lake effect snow showers will end in the afternoon. Again, that's only for our lake effect community. Those outside of it, it is just going to be colder on Sunday, Saturday night into Sunday. So how much rain are we expecting out of this? There could be some localized flooding in our far southeastern communities. That's where we're expecting the most rain. We're looking at anywhere between 1.5 inches to upwards of 2.5 inches. And to the northwest, we've got anywhere from 1/2 inch to upwards of 1.5 inches. But really, it's all about the temperatures here. As we get into your Friday, that's our transition day. That's also Veterans Day. Thank you to all our veterans who have served. Were or serving now. We've got temperatures upper 50s to right around 60 degrees due to the rain around. And then here it comes. Here comes the colder air, low 40s expected throughout the day on Saturday. Yesterday we managed to hit 67 degrees, well above our average of 54. We'll still be well above our average today. I'm going with the high of 70. Sunset is at 5:12. Today 70. Bright, breezy. Keep in mind with it being so dry, it doesn't take much to set off a wildfire. And with that breeze too, it's the potential here once again. So we do have a high fire danger. Clouding up tonight. Temperatures though not really getting all that chilly. We're in the mid 50s. And then tomorrow 60. Once it starts raining, we'll have rain all day long. Looking ahead here, here's that pattern shift. Low 40s through much of the week ahead. In fact, our temperatures staying well below average. And there is the chance of a few lake effect rain and or snow showers. Another system that we'll be watching Tuesday night and in the first half of Wednesday. We'll see where the track of it goes. But right now it looks like much of southern Ohio will be affected by that. So stay tuned in the meantime. Get that winter gear ready.